All right, so here we are. We're going to do CAD33, the tube hanger. Okay, tube hanger looks a little different, okay? Everybody tries to do the side views, the front view. We're going to show you how to set that one up. We're going to start with CAD32 since they're both not metric, imperial we'll say. So I'll open up CAD32 from the last lesson. Isn't it wonderful? Isn't it beautiful? Okay, we'll do a save as, okay? And we'll call this CAD33. And we'll save that. Now, of course, we will erase it and we'll start over. All right, so since everybody likes to draw the side view as the front view, we'll do the side view first, and it's pretty simple. It's all diameters, okay? So we got, once again, make sure you're on the object layer. We've got a diameter of 3 and a diameter of 4, so we'll do the 3 first, and then we'll do the 4. All right, now we're gonna start at the bottom of this thing, so quadrant bottom, and we're gonna come out 5 inches to get to the front. Get it straight, 5 inches. And then we're going to come up 2 inches. Okay, we get the 2 inches because it's got a radius of 1, right? A radius of 1 would mean the diameter 2, so we're going to come up 2 inches. And then from there, we're going to go to the tangent of the 4-inch circle. There we go. Now I'll come back, and this comes back 1 inch, and then goes down. All right, now let's go ahead and get our center lines in. Once again, we'll use the quadrant. And then we'll grab that one and we'll rotate. Pick the center and copy. So there's that. Okay, now I'm going to change over to the construction layer, and I'm going to draw myself a line over 1.5 for our separation. I'm going to go up 1 inch on that. You'll see why in a second. All right, now I'm going to change back to my object layer. I'm going to use the 2-point circle, okay? Here's my first point. Now I know that that's going to be a diameter of 2, so I can just type 2 in there. All right, now I'm going to do line, go from the quadrant, pick the bottom, and that's going to come over 2 inches. Now I'm going to go up, touch that, and I'm going to bring that back. That's going to be 0.75, and it's going to go back down. But it's going to stop right up even with the top of that. So what we'll do is I'll go ahead and take it all the way down. Then I'm going to grab this, copy, pick the bottom, pick the top. And then I will trim this. Because see, it stops right at the top of that, so we'll stop right there. Now, I can also trim this out. If I hit the right button, there we go. And we got a little 1 inch circle in there, so I'll go back to diameter, pick the middle, and 1. Now we can get our hidden lines for this, right? I can go ahead and erase these 2 lines, we don't need them anymore. So I'll go ahead and switch over to hidden. I'll tell you what, we'll go ahead and touch there, click on the end, and then click on that end. Now I can erase this one. Grab this one and copy it from the top of the circle, which get that green X, to the bottom of the circle. All right, so that's got that one pretty much done. Now this part is wider. This part of here, if you turn it sideways, it's 1.5 across the top. So we've already got 0.75, so we need 0.375. So go back to the object layer. We'll start at the bottom. We'll come out 0.375. Try to get it straight this time, 0.375. There we go, we'll go come up 4, because that was our diameter. And it's 1.5 this way, and I'm gonna come down and we'll stop there. And then I'm going to change my layer to hidden, and I'm gonna come the rest of the way down. All right? Now, I'm gonna grab this and copy it. Right there. I don't want it to be quite that long, so I'm gonna trim here and here. And I'm just going to delete that one, come back, rotate, don't forget to right click and hit copy, and there we go. So that's got that one. All we need now is a couple of hidden lines. So we will line, I'm going to line it with this one. Start there, come across to there, and I'm going to offset the diameter, which in this case is 3. Go straight down. All right, so there's got those hidden lines And everything is in place. So I got our front, now we got to get the top. All right, so change to my construction line, go to lines. I want to line up with this one, okay? I'm going to start here, and I'm going to come up with 1.5. That's where I'm going to go to, okay? So now I know that from here to here is 2, and then that's another 1, so I got to come out 3. Change back to my object line. 3, and we come back 1, because this is going to be the same distance as that, and then we'll come back. Line up that, and stop. Now, to the center of the circle is 5, and then we'll just offset, and I'm going to pick 2 points. That sets my distance, and there we go. This will trim here. See how this goes across the top of that? So that means that comes out. All right, that's my center point. So I know that I'm going to come down. Let's go out 0.375 and come down 2, and then come back to here. Now I'm going to delete that one. If I can hit the right key. Delete. There we go. So that's 2. We need it to be 4. So I'm going to grab this, pull this up. Tab, 4, enter. Now I've got a 4-inch line. Go back to line, come across 1.5, and go back down 4. And then come back to here. Now I can erase this line, and all we've got left to do now is hidden lines. We'll grab these 2, copy them from the top of this to the top of that. There's those 2. Now I've just got these 2 here, okay? So change back, hidden line. I'm gonna start here, come up, keep it green, and grab that and copy it there. And that finishes the tube hanger, okay? So we'll go ahead and save that. There we go. And then we go to the plot menu, monochrome, AutoCAD PDF, center the plot, do a preview. Looks pretty good. We'll turn that in. CAD 33 is complete. Don't forget, you're always going to turn in the PDF in the classroom. All right, what's wrong with that? We can just close it. It'll ask us to save changes. We're going to say yes, and we end up back here. All right, I'll see you for CAD 34 in the next video.